Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix no Wi-Fi network found issue in Windows 10. Okay, firstly open network and internet settings. Yeah, we may go for it. See here, there is no Wi-Fi option, right? So now again we are going to check here, there is no internet. Now we have to go for troubleshooting option. It's detecting problem. And one more thing I have to say, this is a one procedure. We have another procedure also. If suppose if any drivers are missing or driver is enabled or disabled, we have to check manually. But this troubleshooting automatically resolve all the problems. In most of the 90% it will resolve here. If it not, then we'll move for some other method. First we check here. See here, there is a all network adapters, right? We have to check that because it will check all the it will try to fix all adapters. What are the adapters installed in your system? It will check each and every one. So now it's detecting problem. See, there is a resolve problem option, right? There is a issue, the adapter is disabled. I show you, right? So repair this as an admin, right? So see here, it's showing resolving problems. Verifying web connectivity problem is resolved. So it was checking in backend. See here, problem got resolved, right? So issue has been resolved and your internet has been connected. So this is the one option, and another one option is we have to know adapter is missing, right? So sorry, adapter is disabled, right? We have to enable it manually, then also it will work. Anyway, in this case issue has been resolved, right? We have to check with some other. See here, YouTube also opened, right? So our web page also working fine. The issue has been resolved. Thank you guys, have a good day.